Welcome to this video where I'm going to be describing another example of how to use your calculator to get some numeric summaries, which are a form of descriptive statistics. Just as a reminder, this method can only be used for quantitative data. So with categorical, you can't calculate an average or a median or a mean or standard deviation or any of the quartiles. But here with quantitative data, we have that luxury. So I'm going to start by showing you the column that I'm interested in. So I'll just choose this carbohydrate column. And I have 10 observations and 10 different foods. So here on my calculator, to analyze this column of carbohydrates, I'm going to push the stat button. And then I want to enter data, and you do that in the edit option. So when edit and edit is highlighted, I'll push enter. And now I have no data in list 1, so I'm going to enter it all in list 1, starting with here the 5.5, so I'll do 5.5 and then enter, and then I'll do 3.5, 3.5, and then enter, and then I'm down here at 3.9, so 3.9, and I'm entering that on the calculator, push enter, so you can see now that I have a match from what I have in these first 3 cells over here to these first 3 cells. So I'm just going to keep going. I have 2.1, and then 4.6, and then 12, I have another 12, 15.2, and then 5.5, and then finally for the lentils, that's my last one, and that's 15. So you can see, because I'm at the 11th observation, that I've entered 10 data entries. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's correct, but you should be in the practice of looking and making sure that you've entered things correctly. So we have 4.6, 21. Okay, so I'm all set there. Now once I have my data entered, I'll push the stat option again, but this time I'm going to move over to the calc, and we only have one variable right now. The variable is carbohydrates, so I'm going to push enter, one variable stats, and then my data is in list 1, so I don't need to do this, but I could do second and then show it the list that it's in. So here you'll notice that I have those blue, sorry about the glare, see that a little better, that blue L1. I'm going to push that. And now you can see my, trying to get the glare off, apologize. So X bar, remember, is the mean. And then because this is a sample of data, we would use S sub X, so that's the standard deviation. Remember that that arrow means there's more information below, so I'm going to push the down button here all the way until that arrow disappears. And now you see the 5-number summary. So the median, the minimum, Q1, which is the 25th percentile, Q3, which is the 75th percentile, and then the max. So hopefully if you had any questions about the data entry or how to use the calculator component of it, that clears it up. If not, please be sure to ask. All right, bye-bye.